Hi guys, this is Nithish, a passionate data analyst. So you know that data analyst has to works on many tools that includes Excel also. So we are going to do some work on Excel based on the requirements for the data analytics. So data analytics requires the tools like Power BI, Tableau, and also data storage servers like SQL and PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and also visualizations tools Tableau and Power BI, and also doing the calculations and performances, cleaning the data Excel, and also machine learning for predictions. Okay, so in this we will going to do some cleaning the data and also visualizing the players, etc. So the data that we have is FIFA World Cup tournaments. So the players who has played in the FIFA World Cup tournament, as you can see, this is the not a match one. This is the total players what they have been done in the matches and what are the first how many goals that they have been placed till now, like that. So as you can see, there are the many subcategories like players information and also game participation and also performance and also expected matrix and also discipline, you know that yellow card and red card in the football, right? And before going to the data set, first we have to understand the what is the columns that we have in the data set. Okay, as you know, players full name that won't be necessary, team also, you know, positions. Yeah, this is the one type of confusion for the if as you know that in crickets and also another games we have left hand, right hand, and also defender, keeper, like that. And in football there might be a different, as you can see. So these are the players that football positions have. So as you can see, right forward, right mid, and central defense mid, CDM, and also LM, which is left mid, and also left forward, right. As you can see, these are the different type of positions in the football. So this will be in shortcut like DF, DM, ADM, like that, and also age, year of birth. It is not you can know. Game participations like matches played starts matches starts at in the 11 minutes played, 90 minutes played, performances, goals, assets is nothing but assets is nothing but I would like to show you with a pen so that it would be easy. See, if a player is at, so this is the goal, and player 1 and player 2. Okay, so yeah, yeah. So player 1 has the ball. So it would take time, and also if there is any middle player like opponent in here, there is a less possibility of doing goals here itself, right? So this will be want work. So what does this means he will transfer the ball to the player 2. Okay, so he will transfer the ball to player 2, and now player 2 got the ball. So now it is easy to do goal. So this is nothing but passing the ball to the nearer to the goal or in any goal situations. So players will pass the ball to the nearer one, or who will be able to do the goal. So this is the assets. So assets also is calculated in this, that is the decision that players has to take at the right time of situation. So and also there is a non penalty goals and penalty converted, penalty takens, and xg, xag. Actually this is g. Yeah, so xg is nothing but expected goals, and this is the expected average goals. So like we usually get 6 goals if we are expected goals, and average goals that we have received 2 or 3, that will be calculated how much time has been wasted and where it has been wasted, so that will be also considered. In that also there will be a penalty, and also expected non-penalty, how much penalty should be given, like that. So these are the tasks that we have to do: data cleaning and pre-processing, and also data analysis and calculations, and also advanced excel concepts. So next, the final part is that visualizations and dashboard. So yeah, so we have completed with the data set understanding. So we will move to the data cleaning process. I will show the main important points that we have to do. So convert class names to the proper case. As you can know that, so this is the names that we have. Okay, so in some cases, players like names will get additional spaces, right? So for that, what we have to do is trim function is will be helpful. Sorry, trim function will be useful at this place. As you can see, there is no white space, like a space there in the final one. So this is one type of selecting the valid name, validating the name itself. And next point is that if there is any blanks, right? So to find that, if there is a, like you can see here, this is total 680, what we say, columns. So if there is any like empty spaces, right, or blank names, we can't scroll until the 10,000th or 900th columns. That will be like more problematic. So for that, what we can do is we can check if there is a blank or not. If blank will be helpful, is blank will be helpful, like here, see these all are false. So if I have any blank space, you can get true here. So what we can do, just there is only a two values, so that we can easily get the true one and delete it here itself. Okay, and there is also a another method you can also use. So you can go to the data tab, and you can also see like no, not this. You can control G. Here you can have special formats like blanks. So this is also much effective way, but it takes times. Like you cannot able, like it, you have to get the result at your tips of your fingers, right? You don't want to strain your what we say, scrolling and checking. That will make some process, so this will be more helpful. So yeah, so we have been completed about the names itself. So and format check, ensure all xag and xg and xag columns are in numeric format. So as you can see, expected goals and expected average goals should be in number format as required. Yeah, so for this we will transform direct xg to the number, so that will be more helpful. And also xg is also should be transformed to the number itself. Okay, so that would be a number format. Yeah. So next, what we have, normalized names used proper to standardize the players and the teams names. So this is not that much helpful. Like just it will check the names or all alphabetical or not, or if there is any like let's try this also. Yeah, all are normal and normal only, but this is not about characteristics. This will just remove extra spaces like that. Yeah, so that is also one kind of validating the names, and data cleaning has been completed for this. Actually, that is the points, like we have to remove the blanks is also one of pre-processing method, data cleaning method, and check the valid names is also a method, and also format should be also main important for this. Like see, if this is the year, right? So if in some cases what do we have means, like checking the date functions, right? So if we have 2 by 5 by 2, like 1299, okay, so this is the date format, so you can see this should be showing in date formats. In some cases it will be like I will show you. So this is want to consider, like if there is a minus, see this is not a date, actual date format, right? So for calculations this will be effective for our calculations. So for that what we can do is, like long date, short date, it should be change it to here, okay. Like if you have more options, like uh, if you have these many times, so we just simply replace it. So replace function will be, sorry, I have to select till here, I think. Yeah, see, so replace function will be comes in handy here itself. So we'll do only one. See, so it has been transferred to the actual data, right? So this is the uh, pre-processing, one of the technique of pre-processing. Pre-processing consists of 10 to 15 steps, like validating the correct formats, and also names should be in correct format, and there should not be any uh, rather than alphabetical things. Like in that cases it should be helpful. So to do those things, the data cleaning and pre-processing will be helpful. Cleaning, and it will be processed to the actual position of it, right? So next we will have the analysis and calculations, right? So I identify top 10 players based on the goals and assets, and also XAG and XG. So for this, I will show you how the POT table comes in handy. So we will use a pivot table that consists of what is he asked, actually normalized players, like this is the valid names, right? So now what we do need is goals, assets, sorry, where is this, yeah, goals, assets, and also XAG, right? XG, and expected goals and expected average goals. So now we need a total goal should be high. See, so these are the guys top 10, as he asked about top 10, right? Yeah, top 10. So for that we just filter, sort, not sort, filter, like top 10 item sum of goals. Yeah. So now you have got this thing. Okay. So these are the top 10 fellows who can. Sorry, there is no top 10. I think the two is what we say. Uh, so in this method we can get the top 10. I think we have to. Now we will try. Filter top 10 based on a sum of goals. We will remove it. Assets we will. Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is also getting somewhat error. I think I have to focus on it. Okay, okay, okay. I think XG will be comes in correct way. Like so these are the expected goals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So sum of goals will be calculated like overall the team. So this won't affect in each person. And assets also he's not helpful. I think we need only sum of goals that players has been done by himself, by him own. Okay, so sum of goals will be comes in handy, and as this you can completed top 10 players, calculate contribution per 90 minutes for players. So this is nothing but I will show you directly. So each player, what is his contribution for 90 minutes? Like you can see, if a team has scored for 90 minutes, if a team has been scored one goal, how much contribution is there of each player? Like there is a penalty should be calculated, assets also should be calculated, like total minutes played of that total person and divided like that. So I will show you directly itself. Yeah, delete, and we will go with, yeah, see. Yeah, so what do we need here is contribution per 90 minutes. So contribution means 90 minutes overall time should be taken here. So minutes played, yeah, you can see here minutes played, yeah, minutes played by round up we should need for that. If should be actually, if uh, minutes played, we just use a simple structure for this so that it won't be uh, confuse us, right? If minutes played, where is that? What of time? Non-penalty, yeah, minutes played, yes, you can see here, right? So we'll just use j2. J2 should be greater than 0, should not be less than 0, so that only we can calculate this, right? So now we need round up, right? Round up, that means goals and assets, yeah. Shit. If okay, I will do it directly itself. J2 greater than 0 should be, it should be round L2 plus and also M2. Okay, so both are considerable, and then divided by J2 into 90, so that contribution will be good. And yes, no, so I will copy this so that I can enter too few arguments for this function. Okay, M L. Okay, number. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. I have got it. So roundup should be 2. Yeah. See, we have got S. So that means this person, this person has contributed a contribution goal of like we can also see here itself. Yeah. See, first we have taken J2, which should be greater than 0, and also round up the value of L2 and M2 by J2 and 90 to. So I will show you the correct format of this understanding. So yeah, it should not be take that much time. See, for suppose we have this one, right? So the contribution of a player should be divided like how much time he has played, right? So what is the total time that he has played? For example, yeah, one and one plus one. So what do one plus one, two plus sorry, divided by the total time taken play. So 483, right? So this is correct one. Yeah, 483. So did, as you can see, oh shit, it is one 2 plus 2 divided by 483, and now we will divide it by 90. Sorry, into we have to do into 90. So this is the 37 percentage of this person contributed in a 90% play. So as you can see, 15 is the player name, Adrian Rabiot. So he is the player who has as I said, yeah, goals contributed. See, you can see here, right? So 37% has been contributed by him. So this will be also calculated in football. Everything is matter in football. So we have to calculate the person's involvement in the game and how much he has been trying to play, and also affecting the match without any errors, right? So everything will be calculated so that only they will be paid in that type of amounts, right? So next, XG but actual 0. Calculate non-penalty goal. Okay, okay. This will be find players XG greater than 1.0 but actually 0. So yeah, I will explain here itself. See, so here, if a what is the question actually we have got? Find the player with XG greater than 1, right? So that is the minimum. Like AB2 is greater than 1. AB2, AB2, yeah. See, AB2 if greater than 1, but actual goal should be 0, right? So actual goal, where is the actual goal should be? Actual, see, goals, actual goals should be 0, but actual set should be 0. Okay, so it is like a yes or no question. Okay, so we need xg should be 1.0 greater than, and actual goal should be 0. So that is the expected. So xg nothing but expected, right? So expected from the team, they have been expected one goal from that person, but he has been scored 0 itself. So if we get that possibility, we will show him as a, like you can see here, no. Okay, he has not scored as expected goal. Okay, now we will move to the find players with more than two assets and more than one xag. See, so it is also like a true or false only. It won't be that much. See, M2, which is greater than, like M2 is, yeah, assets should be M2, and AE2. AE means expected average goals, right? So it should be a 1. So even though this guy is not performed as assets, and also not even assets, and also XCAG, which is expected average goals. And next we will move to the advanced Excel concepts, create a drop down list. As you know, this will be involved like I will show you simply. So create a drop down list by teams. Okay, so for the teams, what do we need is copy this thing and we'll use here itself. And from this, we will remove the duplicates. See, the removal has been done. So only 33, I think. So now, so we will make this one as a list, right? So data validation, sorry, consolidate should not be also there. So data validation, and from this we need a list, right? And then source, where it should be, here it should be, and then here we go, boom. So shit, it has been not came. Okay, okay, okay. Here itself it has been done, right? See, here only we have got all those details. Okay, we will do, yeah, I have understood right now. So data validation show, and we will select here list. Source means what is the list that you need, right? So here we need this thing. See, now we get the list of those persons. So create a drop down list filter by team to display five top. So what is the question? Create a drop down filter by team to display top five players from the country. So if a country has been selected, like as you seen previously, that we have been created a drop down playlist, right? So if we select a country from any, like Qatar has been selected, from that what we need is five players who has been topmost performance in every aspect, and that too five members only we should need, right? So for this we have been used as a index sort filter. So index will be used to get the players details, and also sort and filter will use, right? Like sort is the function which will be sort the players. See, for suppose we have one. See, for suppose we have 13 players, right? So in this, the index function will help to pick one, like pick these fellows, like 13 fellows, and in that sort will be helpful for only five should be needed, and filterization should be like helpful, like if a fifth player has got more high number of goals, right? So 80. So we think 80 is got for the 50, and 20 is got for the second player. So this will be shifted, like 80 is shifted for the first and 20 is shifted for the last. So this is the way it will be used this for the sort and filter function. Okay, and next we have got use VLOOKUP function. It is not that much critical to understand this. It's just a piece of confusion. Okay, so mainly what we have focused means, I have created a player's name with the type of list, and also what should I need about him. So I need all the data of that player. Okay, so what we have done is we look, and in that what I have need only the player's name, and that too it should be constant, right? Okay, so a is the constant, not 19 is the constant. Should be like in a the numbers will be changed 19, 20, like that. So lookup value has been completed, and the table array what we need actually from the normalization of play. So this is what should I need actual total. Oh shit. Yeah, now we will try again. So now I have been selected the table, and now selected the table that we need. And what should we need right now? Column index, nothing but the position, which is like you can see here. See, so this is the position is in the second, right? So one and second column it is, right? So we need second column, and it should be a exact match. See df. So as you can see that we can only get only single value. For the multiple times we cannot, like you see this is a 30 nearly, so we cannot always we cannot change that values, and it will be some messy and problematic. So for that what we can do is we'll add columns in this second place. So what we need is colum columns. So this will get what are the columns that we need. Okay, so as you know that df like this one is already completed. So I will get from here. First we will try with the only two things, and c is the constant also here. Here we will, yeah, think there might be an error, I think. Hmm. Yeah, there's no error. So as you can see, now just we will getting dragging, right? We're doing dragging, so there is no error, and also no, there is no problem in this. If I change to some fellow, see the down one will is also getting the same. So in this way we can use a vlookup function. And next what do we have? Pivot table, compare total goals, assets and also xg, which is expected goals. So for this country wise I think so. Compare total, by team, yeah. So team, it is nothing but country itself. So he is using the pivot table, as you have been. I will show you once. So we will use pivot table. So insert the pivot table in new, and in this we will use teams, goals, assets, and expected goals and expected average goals. Yeah. So these are the total data about teams and those track record. Okay, so now guys, I already said you that, see, there is a space here itself. That is why it is getting the a like a space in see, there is space is there in this. That's why it is. We'll directly check it here itself. Don't know where it is. Okay, like player stat as the England, not only one segment, right? So England has, yeah, one of this idiot has, see, here is this. So we can insert one. Let's do one thing. We'll remove the hmm, trim. This is what should be need, right? So now we will select only England itself. See, here we have removed the space, right? So this is where the data pre-processing will be done, and this is how it will be done. Every each and minute details are important for this. So we have to mainly focus team. We will change this team one. Okay. So now we will delete this thing. So yeah, okay. Should be there. But in this, what we will do is where is this sheet three? Yeah, sheet three, right? So we will use team one. So here data refresh. Where is the refresh point? Yeah. See, team one is got, and now we use, as you can see, England got here. If we did not remove the space, we will consider that England is the top one like that, right? So it has got its own place. So that's where it will used. Now next we will move on to removing unwanted things will be most crucial point. So now use VLOOKUP it has been completed conditional formatting for XG and XOG more than 1.5 green, right? So what we will do, as you can see, so there is a XG here itself. Yeah, see both XG and also XCAG should be data validated, not conditional formatting. Like in this, we will use what is the question action 1.5 more than 1.5, right? So we will use greater than or equal to 1.5. So format actually I have been done that previously, but yeah, let's see this. See, it has been changed to red, but actually what did he need is, will show you, not red. Yeah, this is what he actually need, green and bold. Okay, so now there is another task, players with red guards, also done like this itself. So as you can see, I have done already. See, this is the red that we have been given, like this is a player who has got red guard. So there, where is the, yeah, see, only the peoples get one is red cards. All those players has got a red. So this is also a conditional formatting method. We cannot we can do this. We have to select all that. Manage. We'll see. So S S is the constant one, and 2 greater than 0. S2 should be starting, right? So all over the place it should be applied. So as you can see, there is a red. See, yeah, red S2. Okay, from since S2 greater than 0 is considered as red player. Okay, and next we will move on to the interactive dashboard. So for this guys, we have to mainly create dashboard visualization should be done after the creation of data. Okay, so what do we need? Top 10 players by goals and assists per 90. So 90 minute, right? So this is the first chart that we have been created using pivot table only. We have been got this, don't get confused. And also using pivot table we can get these things. Okay, so we have been used sum of goals and assets in 90 minutes. And also like oh, I have been forgot to name this one. So players no. Okay, and this is the position. And this is the team. That's it, I think. Yeah, this is also should be considered as team. Okay, yeah, so now it is perfectly done. So yeah. So what we have done here, top 10 players completed, and pie chart for players distribution by position, and also line chart for total xg trend per team. Okay, and slicer, so it will be helpful more while we like which player got which, and which position has like that filter is useful in many ways in data visualizations. So for this, first we have been placed top 10 players. Okay, so yeah, so these are the top 10 players. And fifth, like this one is the players contribution. Sorry, no, I will have to address this thing. Yeah, yeah. Players distribution by position and this thing. So in this you can observe that DF position has the more contribution like 29%, and next contribution goes to the MF, and also third contribution goes to the FW. So these are the uh, more players have in the positions. So nearly 133, 119, 92 players has in this positions only, and the lists are there in the forward defense. So there are only three players that are there. Okay, and you can, if you want to see like who are these guys, so FWDF will be clicked, and you can see Jordan Morris and Yannick something, and also Fernandez, Edmilson Fernandez, right? So these are the three players who are only playing FWDF position, and their total, what we said, the total expected goals strength by time. See, so US has less, but Belgium has scored like 0.22% for the 1%, 0.22%. That means no problem, but that should not be considerable. Okay, and next we have got a total XG trends, like expected goals by trends. Okay, so Brazil has got the more expected goals as per they required. No, Belgium has got the highest. So they have been expected like let's assume they have been expected six expected goals in 5 to 6 matches. They have been scored 5.18. That means 5 goals has been scored as per expected. And also there will be change in actual goal should be, so that means actual goal should be more than that. So if you want to see Brazil's data, okay, so this is getting error. We go with the England. Yeah, so England has only these players only one. Mhm. Okay, so this is the players list. As you can see, if you want who are the highest aged person like playing is Brazil and team Portugal and Canada has the 39 years old person who is playing in MF in one person is and also DF is 2 person. So Pepe and also Danny Alves and also Atiba Hudson. So these are the 3 persons who has the age of 19. So as this is the total analysis on FIFA World Cup. So my main request is that consider please concentration mainly while doing analysis. Pre-processing should be done in accurate way, so that only you can not get any errors there itself. See, you can know that I have got a error after these many days also. I have got an error in England. So that is where every point is important in data analysis. And we are the astronomy of the industries where we can guide the industry into the main level. So where is the problems that we are getting in the industry that should be find out by us only, and that should be also resolved by us only, and that should be also guided by us only in that way that they should not be occur in future times, right? So this is the data analytics in Excel, and thank you.